His video issue is about forming a menu bar. It serves a navigational purpose and 3 large containers are used in its construction, including a user avatar bar, a button navigation bar and a switch account. First we make these components invisible. And finally insert a container. Drag this container into the global component. We then modify the size of the container. Change the color of its container to white. Add a shadow. Into this container we insert a container. Cancel the background color, add a text box. Enter the text to be inserted. Adjust its font size. Change the color to blue. After that, insert a text box, enter the text. Modify the font size. Add an opacity of 10%. After that we insert another container. Cancel its background color. In this container we add another container. Cancel the background color. Select an icon to insert. Then he selects a text box to insert. Finally select this container again, we add a general model variable. Make a copy. Enter the number of copies to be made. And then arrange it. We select another text box, insert a one-dimensional model variable, double-click to add it. Enter the text in order. Type message to replace it. Click on the text box. Insert a one-dimensional model variable, then add it. But the chart select the icon you want to insert. Then select the inserted icon. Drag it out. Copy the parameters of the icon. Then paste it to the desired location. Repeat the same operation. Drag the icon out. Copy its parameters. Paste it into the desired location. Type D in the left box to replace it. Click on the icon. Add a substate to it. Activate these states in turn. Replace the color with white. Click on it to activate it. Do the same for this text box to add substates. Replace the color with white. In this container we add a container. The background of the container is changed to blue. Add a rounded corner. Add another container. In this container cancel his background color. Then add another container, again cancel his background color. In the container we insert an icon. Drag this icon out. Then place it here, adjust the position. Let's insert another text box. Adjust the font size. Then select this container outside again, add a general model variable. Make a copy of it, then insert the number of copies, arrange it by stacking. Select this icon. Copy the text in the D box, add another 1D model variable, double-click the button to add it, we are looking for an icon. Drag the icon out. Click on this icon to copy it. Then delete the dragged out icon. Type D to replace it. Then click on this text box, add a one-dimensional model variable. Double-click to add, make the substitution, enter the text in order. Let's select this game. Add a stroke first. Add another opacity of 60%. Do the same. Add a stroke. Then insert another container. Set the background color. Insert another image. We insert the image. The picture you want to insert, resize the image. Add a text box. Type in text. Insert another text box. Finally preview. Select this container. Add a status. Make it unviewable. Then switch the state back. We add a container. Make the background components invisible. Select this container. Drag the whole thing to the global. Resize the container again. Cancel the background color. Use to add an interaction. Click on the state transformation. Select the object. Preview. Select the icon again. Add an interaction. Select the state change. Object selection. Select State 1. Preview click. Today we bring you the third part of the application build. The navigation section items guided by the menu buttons in the interface. After the video there are improvements to the interactive features to make it more comfortable. Thanks for watching. See you next time.